We have a lot of work to do. It's 3 days away. One of the fun things about me is that I also work a full-time job. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing something a little bit different this week. It is the start of Pride Month, and on Sunday we have our Pride Parade here where I live. I happen to live right next to the start of the route of the parade, so I am deciding to host a brunch for a bunch of people at my apartment to celebrate the beginning of it. But that means I have a lot of work to do, and because I never do anything half, I have a laundry list of things I want to bake and food I want to make and things I need to buy, and I need to get the apartment ready because it is a mess from all of these projects that we have been doing for the past month and a half now. So we have a lot of work to do. It's 3 days away. I don't have a lot of time to talk, so we're going to run to the grocery store to pick up hopefully everything that we need for this Sunday, and then we are going to get started. This video might be a little hectic because we have a lot of stuff to do, but I'm really excited, and this is going to be a fun event. So come with me, and let's plan this thing. Let's get it done. Put some of this stuff away, and then I want to get a couple of I want to get like at least 2 of the recipes made today. One of the fun things about me is that I also work a full-time job, so I have to try to fit these in between shifts. So I'm gonna try to put all of this stuff away as much as possible and get a couple recipes done today and squeeze them in between shifts. So I think the first one I'm going to do is going to be the blueberry streusel muffins. That is probably a really quick, easy recipe. So let's whip those up real quick. Say a prayer. Okay, so the muffins are in the oven right now. They got about another 15 minutes. I'm gonna start the coffee cake because I think that should be pretty easy. So let's do that. This recipe is going to be Claire Sappett's coffee cake from her Dessert Person cookbook, which I highly recommend. I love this book. Look how bubbled up these are. Incredible. It smells so amazing. Good morning, guys. It is the next day and we have a lot to do today. If I can get all of the baking that I want to get done today before I go to work done, then tomorrow, the day before the brunch, I can just worry about taking care of the apartment and doing the final prep for a lot of the actual non-baking foods like the potatoes and the, breakfasty types foods. I haven't had coffee yet, so that is going to be the first thing that we are going to do. Okay, coffee's going. The first thing that we're gonna make today is going to be these mini loaves of banana bread. I had these little mini loaf pans and these little mini Bundt pans for so long, and I've never used them, and so I was like, this is gonna be a perfect opportunity to use them. So I'm gonna do a banana bread, and I'm gonna do like a lemon Bundt. I only have 4 of each, which means I'm gonna have to just kind of alternate in the baking and let cool. I'm gonna post all of the recipes down below in the description, so if you want to make any of these, just follow those recipes. Let's do some banana bread. And while we wait for those to bake, might as well do a little plant maintenance. We are doing really well with all the baking. We're almost done. Tomorrow is the brunch, so I have got to start focusing on cleaning this apartment. I've been doing projects for about a month and a half straight now, and as you can see, stuff has just started to pile up. So if I'm gonna have a bunch of people over, I need to get this together. So let's do that now. Hey guys, it is now about 11 p.m. Hey Scott. 11 p.m. on Saturday night. I just got home from work, and the last pastry thing I need to make for this thing tomorrow morning is the cinnamon rolls, and I wanted to do those specifically last because I want those to be fresh. So I'm gonna make the dough and then let it do the first proof overnight. And then I can, when I wake up, I'll roll them, let them proof for a couple hours, and then they'll be fresh and ready for people when they get here. But it's 11 o'clock at night, so I need to hurry and make this dough because I'm exhausted. So let's make this dough real quick. Good morning, guys. It is day of the show. We have a lot going on. I've been running around like crazy. I have about an hour and a half until people start showing up, which is fine. I think I'm pretty on schedule. I finished all of the pastries here. As you can see, I have potatoes boiling. We're gonna mix those in with the bell peppers and onions, and then we will throw them in the oven for the last roast. I have, as you can see in here, my cinnamon rolls proving second proof. I'm on schedule. I do need to run to the store, of course, because I always forget stuff. So I'm gonna do that now because it's 9:44, which means people are allowed to arrive about an hour and 16 minutes from now. So I still have a lot to do, and I haven't gotten myself ready yet. But most of the apartment is clean. I'm good. We're good. I need a little bit more coffee, then I'm gonna run to the store. Right now I'm going to get myself ready very fast, even though I don't even know what I'm going to wear yet today. Because we have about 30 minutes. So